Hello everyone, my name is Joelle and this is your 5-minute office yoga break that you can do right at your desk for body and mind. Find a nice tall seat, closing the eyes and straightening the spine. And take a deep inhale and exhale in and out through the nose. One more time, inhaling and exhaling completely. Now open the eyes and beginning with a wrist stretch, flex the arms and flex the wrists, bringing the knuckles of the hands towards your shoulders. Keep the wrists flexed as you begin to slowly extend the arms, stretching through the forearms. And you could choose to hold there, or you might bring the fists back in towards the shoulders, keeping them flexed, and then extend through the arms once more, still pulling the knuckles towards your shoulders. And then let that go. Just take a few wrist circles, articulating through the fingers in one direction, and reversing that circle. And give the arms a little shake and set the palms down on your thighs. Now turn your nose towards your left shoulder, holding here for a breath. And then rock the left ear towards the left shoulder. And take one big circle with the neck going towards the right, all the way around, and one more circle in this direction. And slowly bring the head back towards center and the nose over towards the right shoulder, feeling the stretch in the back of the neck. Now right ear towards right shoulder, breathing deeply here. And then two big circles towards the left, feeling every sensation in the neck and the top of the spine. And once you've done that, bringing the head back to center once more, pick up your right foot and take a few ankle circles in both directions. Think about pulling the knee in towards the chest, working those hip flexors, and set that foot down and switch sides, circling the left ankle in both directions, knee coming in, and spine staying straight. And set that foot down. Place the left hand to the outside of the right thigh, and the right hand behind the head, as you twist open, pulling that elbow towards the sky. Feeling an openness in the right side body, and then back through center, and second side, right hand holds the outside of the left thigh, left hand behind the head, and tilting the chest up towards the sky. And back through center once more, let that go. And very slowly melt the upper body forwards towards your legs. And you could hold onto your ankles, or you might even give yourself a little bit of a neck massage here. Feeling that nice release in the low back. And slowly rolling your way back up to a tall seat. And catching hold of opposite elbows behind you. Take a big inhale to look up at the ceiling, arching the back and reaching the chest tall. One more inhale here. And then exhale, release the elbows. Cross the right knee over the left and take a gentle twist towards the right, maybe holding onto the back of the chair with your right hand. Think of every inhale growing you taller, and the exhale twisting that little bit deeper. And returning to center, crossing the legs with the left knee on top now, and gentle twist towards your left, taking the gaze over that back shoulder. And release the twist, uncross the legs, take one big shoulder roll. Notice how you feel. And I thank you for joining me for this quick office yoga break. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a wonderful day, everyone.